Hi, in front of me I have LENOVO Yoga and I'm gonna show you how to enter the safe mode on this device. Let's start by pressing and holding the power button right here on the side. When this menu appears on the screen, press and hold on the power off option. The warning will appear. Then tap OK to confirm. Now let's wait. And as you can see, our device booted in a safe mode. And to exit this mode, we need to press and hold the power button. And tap on the power off option. Then tap OK. And when the device turns off, turn it back on by pressing and holding the power button for a few seconds. And as you can see, our device booted into a normal mode. And that's how you enter the safe mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, remember to subscribe to our channel and leave the like on the video.